Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Windows 11 updated, admin rights, and a Chrome browser signed into your Google account. Once done, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Remote Desktop web app. Make sure you allow extensions and pop-ups. Next, click Set up Remote Access and choose a device name that is clear. Then download and run the host installer. Accept the UAC prompt and consent to required services so the machine can accept remote sessions. Once the installer finishes, you'll be asked to create a PIN. Pick 6 or more digits you can remember but not easily guessed. Make sure you enable unattended access if you want to connect without someone on the other end. This starts the background host service automatically. Next, sign back into the Chrome Remote Desktop app and verify the new device is listed. If you have multiple Google accounts, confirm you're using the intended one, because devices are bound to that account. Now test a connection. From another device, sign into the same Google account, select the host, enter your PIN, and confirm you can control the desktop. If the session fails, first restart the Chrome Remote Desktop host service and the Windows machine. That resolves many issues. If problems persist, reinstall the host installer and check Windows Defender or firewall rules to ensure Chrome and the host service are allowed. Also confirm both ends have reliable internet and no VPN blocking traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.